This is my museum building, and these are the materials and the images I'm gonna use to make it look like this. I'm starting off with the background. So this is my background image. I'm decreasing the saturation of the blue in the sky. And as always, I'm adding some flying birds in the sky. The next step is adding a grass texture like this one. I'm lowering the opacity so I can see what's happening on the background. And now I'm grabbing my brush and starting to remove the sky from my current layer, so my beautiful watercolor sky could reveal itself. I want to add some pink flower bushes to make a contrast with the green grass, and I'm using this image. Making a duplicate and using my grass brush to trim some parts and edges in the form of the grass. Now it's time to create a gorgeous lake. Taking my brush and again removing the sky and these towers. And again, by using the grass brush, I'm removing the edges carefully. I need the water to look more blue, so in order to do that, I'm using color balance adjusting layer. I'm removing these parts on the mask. And now I want a reflection of the building on the water. So I'm bringing the picture of the museum again, flipping it. And for creating a wavy effect on the reflection, I'm using filter, distort, and wave. Now for the trees surrounding the building, I could either use the render filter on Photoshop or my own collection of trees. And well, up to this time you probably know the drill. Once again, with my grass-shaped brush, I'm removing and forming the edges of the museum. Well, the windows of the museum look kind of empty and bland without any reflection or refraction. So I'm going to use this interior image to make a reflection. And I'm also using some trees to make a reflection on the windows. As the final step for the windows, I'm adjusting the blue on the windows to the blue of the sky and to the blue of the lake. And at the end, I'm adding a motorboat. And its shadow. And some tiny people. And I'm covering my whole visualization with a paper texture. And that's it. If you liked my thought process and enjoyed this video, please hit subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me a thumbs up. Have a great day!